My name is Steve. Welcome to my shop. Although I have been on YouTube for quite a few years, I think I probably had a channel for 6 or 7 years, I only started getting serious about it back in March of 2017 with the Harbor Freight saw competition that was sponsored by Mike Wiggins. So he's really responsible for getting me started. And I was very pleased to meet him and his wife at the bash this past week. So that was a good time. In August of 2017, I had reached 200 subscribers, and I did a hammer giveaway. And at that time, I promised that when I reached my next goal, I'd do another giveaway. Well, that goal was 500. And while I was at the bash, I not only reached 500, but went well over 500 subscribers. And I really appreciate everybody that subscribed over the past year and a half approximately. It's been a very good time, and I've really enjoyed making the videos. So it's time for me to do another hammer giveaway. You will probably be watching this probably be publishing this on Tuesday, July 3rd, by the time that it actually gets out to the public. And so for 1 week, the only requirement to be entered into the giveaway competition, actually there are 2 requirements: that you be a subscriber and leave a comment on this video that you're interested in being entered into the hammer giveaway. So at the end of the day, midnight on Eastern Time on July 10th, Tuesday, July 10th, I will be cutting it off. And at that point, I will take and make a list of all of the comments. I'm going to put them in a bucket, and we'll have a drawing live, or not live, but I'll have a video drawing for the winner of the 500th subscriber brass hammer giveaway. Also included in the giveaway, this is the hammer. It's a 16-ounce solid brass hammer with a made in USA hickory handle. The heads are machined by me, and I'll include a link if you're interested in the machining video. I'll put a link to the machining video. The package will also include a Shark River Machine hat. There were actually 2 people at the bash this year that had hats. Randy Richards had one. He received it because he was my recipient from the Secret Santa on the Machining YouTube Facebook page, and he had one that he had worn on his fishing trip. Also included will be a couple of metric information cards. One has metric equivalents on it, and the other has decimal equivalents, and the tap and drill sizes for both metric and fractional. I'll include a set of them. You'll get a couple of Shark River Machine stickers, channel stickers, and I'm also including in this one, this is a cheat sheet out of the black book from this year. I ended up with an extra one from my visit to the bash, and this has got a lot of information with regard to tap drill sizes for screws. It gives torque values for different screws, dimensions, and for the different style heads. It's a strength of both alloy steel and stainless steel screws. It's a hot sheet. So I'm going to include that in the package. Along with the 500 subscribers, I've nearly reached 73,000 views, which I'm just thrilled with. I've set my next goal for my next giveaway at 1,000 views, and the goal that I've set is to reach 1,000 subscribers by next year's Bar Z Bash. So you can help. Please comment, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and share my videos. And I really appreciate it. Well, that wraps up this video. So don't forget to take and comment, I want a hammer or whatever, and leave your comment below. Give me a thumbs up. And like I said, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.